Hello ladies, I'm Prachita and you're watching FOMO, Passion on My Own. Now glycerin, which is basically sugar alcohol compound, is a magic ingredient used by companies in their skin and hair care products because its beauty benefits are countless. So let me tell you all about them. Take 1 tablespoon of glycerin and 10 tablespoons of water. Apply this before going to bed at night. Wash it off in the morning. Break an egg white into your bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of honey and then 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Now apply this mixture on your face in upward circular strokes. Leave it on for about 20 minutes and then wash it off with warm water. The egg white will get rid of impurities that will keep your skin clean and soft. Make a mixture with rose water. Take 1/4 cup of glycerin and add to it 1.5 cups of rose water. It's advisable to keep this in a spray for longer and effective use. Take 200 or 250 ml glycerin in a bowl. Add about 2 tablespoons of lime juice to it. Mix it well and store it in a glass bottle. Apply it before you go to bed at night, but don't disturb it till it gets soaked. Alternatively, you can also mix 1 tablespoon of vitamin E, Vaseline and glycerin together and apply it half an hour before you go for a shower. This is suitable for all skin types. Get a bottle of vegetable glycerin and fruit fresh. Now take a bowl and add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin. If you're using this mixture only on your skin, then you can also add a teaspoon of fruit fresh. Now mix both the ingredients well till you get a solution that is more milky. After that, keep adding fruit fresh till the solution gets milkier. If you're using this as a body or face mask, then you can apply this mixture overnight and leave it on, and in the morning, take it off with a warm soft towel. If you're using it as a face mask, after it's dried up, you can get rid of it by washing your face. You can also mix 3 teaspoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of glycerin and apply this mixture on your face and leave it on overnight. You can apply this mixture on your hands and feet as well and wash it off in the morning. Take 1 tablespoon of glycerin and half a tablespoon of borax powder and camphor in a bowl. Mix it well with a cup of distilled water. Apply this on your face and then wash your face off with lukewarm water. After some time, wash your face again with cold water. Take Fuller's Earth, glycerin and almond oil. Mix 1 tablespoon of Fuller's Earth, 2 tablespoons of glycerin and 4 tablespoons of almond oil in a bowl. Now apply this mixture on your blackheads and rinse it off once it dries. Take 1 tablespoon of Vaseline and glycerin in a bowl. Mix it well. You may apply it over your face or body overnight. So ladies, now you know all the benefits of this wonder product. Do let me know which tips work for you and subscribe to FOMO, Passion on My Own. Bye.